I got it in. It's kind of challenging working down here with this thing on the car. So now I'm taking a measurement in between this space. And so I'll have to get out from under here. But it went in pretty easily. I was able to pull the pins out and let the spring pins go back down. I still need to tighten up this bolt here, and then I think we're done. I ordered a new cover for this, so I guess I won't have this up and running today unless I want to throw the old cover back on. But then I'm gonna have to fill it with oil twice, but maybe that's actually not a bad idea, because you could say that the first run will kind of rinse it out if anything went in here that shouldn't be in here. I did wash it down pretty good with engine degreaser, and then once that was mostly drained out, I hit it with the Berryman's Chem tool. That tends to dry without a like a coating on it, so I like to use that. But all right, I would like to go drive it. I want to test this bad boy out. So all right, talk to you later.